Knowing exactly when your septic tank needs to be pumped can save you a ton of hassle and money, especially if you're not using it like a full house would. Alright, so here's the deal. Your septic tank is made to keep solids from clogging your leach field, right? Since it's just you and your wife, and only a few guests now and then, you're not going to fill it up as fast as a big family would. A good rule of thumb is to get it checked every 3 to 5 years, but that's not set in stone because it depends on how many people live there and how much water you use. One easy way to tell is to get a professional inspection every couple of years. They'll measure the sludge and scum levels and tell you if it's time to pump. You can also watch for warning signs like slow drains, foul smells near your tank or yard, or soggy spots around the leach field. Avoid flushing stuff that doesn't break down, like wipes or grease, because those can fill your tank faster. Keep an eye on your water usage too. Taking shorter showers and fixing leaks helps reduce how fast your tank fills. And if you ever notice your tank's baffle needs replacing, don't put it off. It's crucial for keeping solids out of the leach field. One of the biggest mistakes people make with septic tank maintenance is waiting too long to pump, which can cause solids to clog the leach field pipes and lead to expensive repairs. The fix? Stick to regular inspections and pump when recommended by a pro, even if you don't think it's full yet. Another common issue is flushing non-biodegradable items like wipes or feminine products that don't break down and quickly fill the tank, so only flush toilet paper and human waste. Lastly, ignoring warning signs like bad smells or standing water around your system can let small problems turn into major headaches. If you see these signs, call a septic specialist as soon as possible to avoid costly damage. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners like you find trusted local contractors who know septic systems inside and out, making it easier to keep your home running smoothly. For contractors, it's a great way to connect with people who need their skills and grow their business without all the extra legwork.